Go to the Tools panel and select the Ellipse tool. Then select Shape and also select a fill, a gradient colourful fill. Hold down the Shift and create a very quick ellipse. Once you've got that, you can modify the course of the design. Simply go here to the fill and select different gradients. What you can then do, go to Effects, just click there, and just down here, Drop Shadow. So Drop Shadow adds a very quick drop shadow. I'm just going for these settings, 41, 19 and 51. And then click OK. You can see I've got a transparent background. I've removed the background, so you can see it's just been deselected. What you can then do, just go over here, Rectangular Marquee tool, select that and drag over that. With that selected, what you can then do is go to Edit and down to Define Pattern and click OK. And then click OK. Then go to Edit and Fill and select Pattern from the contents. Then go and select the custom pattern you just created. It could be, of course, any other design. It doesn't have to be a circular design like that. Select Script and Symmetry Fill and click OK. And you can see if you go for 8 option, you can set also the scale to 1.25. And I'm going to vary this pattern translation. You can vary it all over the place to create different designs. As you move it around, you can see literally thousands of designs can be created. So I'm just going to go with that, 171. Also set colour randomness fairly high and brightness as well. And click OK.